Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is one of my first videos, right? And it's just about Photoshop and how I've created these wonderful pieces of art. So this is basically three animals I've chosen, right? A chimpanzee, a monkey and a gorilla, whatever. And the music kind of side of it inspired me because I used to play guitar, right? So I chose a wide range of music and just wanted to be creative, right, with it. So I just chose some animals, because like why not? And to make a good Photoshop piece, you need to make it look realistic. So I started off at the very start with this person, right? So this animal was with its guitar and amp. So I started off just with that, right? So I thought, what could I do next? So I thought I should add in some drums. So I added in some drums. And I thought, well, should I add in a person in? So I thought I'd add a monkey. So this monkey, looks really good. Very suitable for drums and that. Very happy. So he didn't really look good at the start. So I added a foggy area at the back just to let him fit in. As you can see, layer 2 here, a foggy kind of thing. So if I take that off, it doesn't, all of these animals or mammals don't really look great. So if I add that fog, it looks just so much better. Great contrast and everything. And I got these PNGs, right? See, that's the monkey itself. It's pretty good. I had the drums and he's rock and rolling. I got brightness and contrast, just you know what I mean. Exposures. I started with this. It just got out of hand with all the craziness, alright. So I got 2 exposures that I don't use. Then I got the gorilla that I got off the internet. It's a very suitable, good high resolution. And I got this one from the internet. I've just it's like a collage, right? So I get images, just put it on the page, fiddle around and stuff. And what I've done, so this used to be a single concert, right? So it just used to be like that background. So I've tried to crop the gorilla kind of out. And then I've added the stage back in. There's like a 3D kind of look. And that's just normal. So then I've just screened the fog, as you can see. It changes the variety of moods. So that one doesn't look great. Yeah. Screen and overlay. Putting on top. Got soft light as well for that. Screen I just like personally. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in Photoshop. There's a lot to do. You should be creative and all that. That'll be one of the first projects. I'll get moving on to second project soon. I'll see you guys soon. I'll be uploading daily, weekly, or whatever you like. Like and subscribe, like always. I really wish for you to comment below so you can give me some ideas for the future. And I'm also starting a kind of drawing program where you're going to give me ideas and drawings to do, and I'm going to draw them for you. And you rate it out of 10, 1 to 10 or something. So I'd like you to see that. And yes, it's coming up to Christmas, so I hope you all guys have a great Christmas and have some fun. Yeah, just remember to like and subscribe, comment your ideas below for the future. And remember, I'm starting drawing programs, so give me some ideas quick before Christmas.